using geometry connector with regression data. So first of all, I'm going to turn off my background image to make things easier to see. And I'm going to window area into a zone at the top where I need to put in reverse spirals. I'm going to select the geometry connector command and then pick my first curve and then select the second curve. I can now select a regression line as well. And now I can place straights, curves or spirals between. In this case, I need a spiral to the right and then one going to the left. So I see my spirals have been added. I can now maybe change or fix this length, this first length. So I'll fix this to 150 and then toggle off the free button because obviously it needs to be fixed. And now I need to free up some elements to be able to create a solution. When we're happy with the fixities, we can click on the compute button. I get a green set of elements, which is a successful completion. But as I zoom in now, you'll see the dynamic slews appear. So I get instant feedback. So maybe I need to change this to be 140 instead of 150 long. So I can change, click compute, and the values will be updated to suit. I can now save the solution. I'm going to turn on create civil rules and just hit apply. So now I have a set of elements which have been ruled, and I can always go to calculate horizontal slew, pick the regression line, pick the geometry, and I'll get instant feedback of the slews across this set of elements.